look at who's in the nest box. Looks like she's doing something. She wasn't like this a little bit ago. Let's see if I can get. She's having babies. She is having babies. Oh my gosh. I hear babies. Oh my gosh. She's got that over there. I think she's having babies. Look at how they sleep. This one always sleeps. Can I make sure you're okay? Can I make sure you're okay? Please move. You see, you sleep so sound and you scare me. Yes, you do. You scare me. Sorry, Mama. I had to check your baby. Look at how beautiful you are. Yes, you are. She does have babies. I absolutely love this noise. Listen. It's treat time. It's everybody eating treats. Everybody gets some treats, except for the little babies, of course. Don't give it to your babies. Yeah, maybe there's your treat right there. Yeah, see? There you go. There you go, it's your treat, maybe. Right there. Right there. Right there, honey. Sweet cheeks. Here, big girl. See? Yeah, that's your treat. It's right behind you. Everybody else is liking it. You good? Tomorrow is cleaning day, so I thought, well, I'll give them extra hay to have fun with today for some of them, especially the ones with the babies, and give them their treat. Tomorrow is cleaning day. Hi, Faith. Cleaning day. Cleaning day, and they are all eating. Look at how cute they are. You got this one here. So if they are males out of this litter, we will rehome them and adopt them out. If they are females, we are going to keep them. Right? Yeah, right. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. So you never know if they're males or females, but if they are females, we are going to keep them because I'm trying to make a pedigree with these guys. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And I'm so close to doing that. Yes, I am. Uh-huh. So we are going to have these little ones. Yes, these little ones. Yes. Aren't they just cute and adorable? Yes, you're just cute and adorable. Yes, you are. Look at this one. The ears are finally deciding to flop on you. Yes, they are. This one here is always in the corner. We have to kind of keep him playing and occupied, and so we're working with him or her, whoever it is. But like I said, if they are females, we are going to keep them in this litter most likely. Yeah, most likely. But a lot of times we have males, so you never really know what's gonna happen until they are old enough to know. Look what you did. Could you stop? I'm trying to enjoy my lunch.